Hey guys, Houston McMiller here, and today we're going to talk about how to open up a business credit file. And the things that's in a business credit file is your company's name, your company's address, the year the company started, the annual sales of the company, and the net worth of the company. Those are the things that consist for the business credit file. Now, I always tell you or suggest that whenever you're starting any type of business, I always encourage you to set up a corporation. The reason you want to set up the corporation is because you want to reduce your tax liability as well as protect your personal assets. Also, with a corporation, you'll be able to build the financial statements and the business bank rating strong enough to where you're no longer using your personal credit for a personal guarantee when applying for business loans, business lines of credit, or business credit cards. Okay? Once you open up the corporation, then you want to open up your business or corporate bank account, your business bank account or your corporate bank account. So that way, every dollar that you generate is paid to your corporation or your corporate bank account, which is going to build up your business bank rating as well as your business financials. Okay? And again, that's going to help eliminate you using a personal guarantee whenever you're needing to get funding for your corporation. Now that we understand that, let's talk about our business credit file. How do we open up a business credit file? Well, many of us are familiar with Dun Bradstreet, which Dun Bradstreet, they offer business credit file services. Some of the things that people don't like about Dun Bradstreet is that if you're trying to contract with the government and the government requires that you have a DUNS number, well, it's Dun Bradstreet's responsibility to give you that number for free. They should not be charging you for that number, okay? Especially if you're planning on doing business with the government. All right. Sometimes they try to coerce you into buying their product if you're trying to build your business credit, but understanding there's a difference between business credit and corporate credit. Now, if you're going after business credit, mainly when they talk about business credit, they're usually talking about a tier-based system. So that means that they're going to use net term accounts in order to build your PAYDEX score using Dun and Bradstreet. So like a net 30 or a net 15 or 20. So those are the type of trade vendor credit that helps build up a PAYDEX score. All right. And so also helps build up your business credit. So it's a tier-based system. But when you're talking about corporate credit, they're mainly focused on your credit cards and your business lines of credit. So your business credit cards, your business lines of credit, also your business loans. So they are using financial institutions that usually don't rely on Dun and Bradstreet credit profiles. This is the reason that I say if you're just trying to focus on funding, corporate funding, or building your corporate credit, you don't need Dun and Bradstreet. Also, another thing you may want to think about, Dun and Bradstreet are not the only players when it comes to getting access to your business credit profile. And let's look at those. You have credit.net that offers a business credit profile. And again, it will offer you the same things as Dun and Bradstreet. They do have a paid service as well as a free service, but when you go there and you search your name, your company's name and the state, and the address, what it's going to bring up, if you never had a file, it's not going to bring up anything. So what it does is when you start searching for your business name, address, and that's in the state that your business is registered in, then it'll automatically create that file for you. Okay, so it'll create you a free file as well as with Equifax business credit profile. And the things that the Equifax business credit the Equifax business credit file offers you is the same thing that Dun and Brad offers you, except the difference between Equifax and Dun and Bradstreet is that with Equifax they focus more on your business credit cards, your business lines of credit, and your business loans. So they focus more on dealing directly with banking institutions most of the time. Okay, and so the things that are in your business credit profile with Equifax is the business name, the business address, the business telephone number, your business tax ID number, your SIC code, your NAICS code, the ownership type, your annual sales, the number of employees, your business type, the location type, and the established date. Those are the things that are in your Equifax business credit profile. And again, you can get this set up for free. You don't have to pay for it, setting it up. But if you want to explore or add things to the business credit profile, they may charge you to do that because that some of the services are not free, so you may have to pay for those services. Or if you're trying to look at somebody else's business credit profile, they may want to charge you for that. Okay. Another one that focuses solely on financial institutions with your business credit cards, business lines of credit, and business loans is Experian Business. Now, Experian Business, when you go to their website, you're going to put in the company name, the city, and the state, and you're going to click on My Company. And of course, if you're a new company, you won't have a file. But what just happened by you putting that information in the system, it automatically start generating that file for you. Okay, and you don't have to pay for that. They do have a paid service for Experian Business credit file, but this, just to search up your business, you don't have to pay for that. Okay. Now, one of the ones that I really like is nav.com business credit profile. And the reason that I like nav.com is because they not only give you your business credit profile, but they also let you look at your personal credit score as well. And so with the business, under the business credit profile, you'll be able to get access to your Experian business credit profile as well as your Dun and Bradstreet if you're using trade vendors to build your credit. And you see here where it says 80 under Dun and Bradstreet, that's your PAYDEX score. That's letting them know that you're getting credit from vendors and you're paying them on time. And the sooner you pay your credit vendors, the higher the number. So the number goes up to from 0 to 100. If you're a day late, then it'll go down to 79. So long as you're paying your vendors on time, then your PAYDEX score stays above 80. Now, because you have a PAYDEX score above 80 or 100, this is not going to guarantee you're going to get any type of funding. Okay? That doesn't have anything with you getting qualified for a business credit card, a business line of credit, or a business loan. What's going to help you qualify is you having a strong Experian credit file and a strong Equifax credit file. And so long as you keep that score, it goes up to 100, but long as you keep that score, I would say above 50, you have a better chance of being qualified. Or if you're a new business, what they're going to do, they're going to look at your personal credit. So long as you have a 680 or higher with your personal credit, you may get qualified for a business credit card, a business line of credit, or a business loan. And as your corporation start building the financial statement and the business bank rating, then that as that number goes up, you'll have access to more funding without using your social security number or a personal guarantee. So I hope that this little video helps you explain how to get access and how to open up your business credit file without having to pay the money to do it. So I hope that this helps you, and look out for our next video. Thank you.